ekarato korigereria biashara biecha maite biakoriru koru pre-independence. Biashara biakoriru miaka emenge. So kere chiro ngo develop were behavior yaya. Buna bono ogenda daraja mbili abantu mbale baberire traders daraja mbili miaka na miaka.
Kabisa.
Bakana tuli go so achire ritoko so. Ngokoraki. Onye nechi yango takatako ane na bago kwa machiko. Bono historically igoko nyoranga abale mivecha enke se bare ngabange nkuru ensemo ya Eastern.
Yes.
Western historically echa ya lenganda the estates. Ekaroko gande market at the auction. A perception ya rone linga chi estate echi korasi echa poor quality.
Yes.
So chi estate ye chi influence ye chi estate ega so as chi factory chia Western.
Right.
Ekaroko ligere libuna bono soko uru ya asali quality completely. Ekaroko and Eastern factories soko uru teyo. Soko uru elini gaere. Abale meba Central na Meru number 1. Eba ko kole biashara biaba with a lot of seriousness. Onye ne quality bata bigu eba ko bugati. Onye ngento geta bata bigu to kole to kokora. Una bono ligere ekara engakia igeta between I think 2000 and around 2010. There was a lot of expansion in each factory each changes. In the east go baga each factory chinga sana. Bono kwanyoranga distance between one factory ne yende igerenke. Ese cha egari ego etako collect cha distance igerenke. Iga e distance igere nyingi. Una bono factory na ro ya mere nandiga. A buying center ya mere kabisa is over 100 kilometers away. Egari eliga koganda limo gochikuye cha koira na yakavire 200 kilometers. Kwa koganda Nyeri, kwa koganda Kirinyaga, egari ga koganda maximum asa tambe which is 4 kilometers. Koye cha. Bono cost yeli bono the cost of operation yoka igerenka. Ekaroko ligere bono ema in the market. Abantu bako golecha ebakoro kuti buyers. Abantu bako necha ebakoro kuti brokers on behalf of the factories. Abantu ba istimba invested korukare, they have invested a lot in tea auction na tea buying for exports. Umonto yakarale gari umaite tuansi mwanya bantu. Ekarole ga gatembe TV.
Yeah.
News ne yakisi okora abeka gose gokwanda korigi news koru South Nyanso chakora tangazo tige yakisi.
Okubeke ya nyuma kwanza.
So ntutuansi mwanya bantu. There is a likelihood, and I'm saying this is my personal opinion.
Yes.
There is a likelihood abantu bali brokers buyers na buyers esa uli ba kolire gasi elimi yake menganda they have invested ebi asaro ma etego ko invest ekaroko ligeri tea brokers ya bange chi company chiri around 11-12 about 8 of them na wachiruete Mount Kenya